Assalamualaikum. My name is FAIZ ARIEF bin JAMALUDDIN. Today, I will present report of library visit in video format. In my opinion, I choose Sultan Abdul Samad Library UPMM as my library visit. Firstly, I would like to introduction of Sultan Abdul Samad Library PSAS. Student and lecturer can easily visit Sultan Abdul Samad Library. The main PSAS library facility is made up of two buildings with a total floor size of 19,007 square meter and a capacity about 200 people at any event time. The Faculty of Medicine and Healthy Science, Faculty of Veterinary and Medicine, Faculty of Engineering and Architecture, and the Bintulu Sarawak Campus Library all have branch library in addition to the main library. Secondly, the library has built up a collection in many subject categories, both in print and electronic format, to support UPM's purpose of providing quality resource, services, and facilities to assist learning, teaching, researching, and consulting. There are a few collections in this library. Firstly, online database. Secondly, information portal. Third, e-thesis portal. And lastly, agricultural information source portal. First, online database. There are a few things in online database. Firstly, easy access portal. Secondly, subscriber database. Third, subscriber electronic books. And lastly, open access journey. Secondly, I will explain about information portal. There are a few things in information portal. Firstly, UPM Institutional Repository. Secondly, course or library portal. Thirdly, PSAS Publication Portal. Next, PSAS Research Information Hub Portal. And lastly, Subject Guides Portal. Next, I will explain about ETC portal. In ETC portal, it has a few things. Firstly, UPM e-thesis portal intranet. Secondly, open access thesis and dissertation. Third, the network digital library of e-thesis and dissertation. Fourth, ProQuest dissertation and thesis. And lastly, Malaysia thesis online. Next, agriculture information sources portal. It has four things. Firstly, Agris database. Next, Agris database FEO. Third, Agri UPM portal. And lastly, MY Agri portal. There are three category user for Sultan Abdul Samad Library PSAS. First, student. Second, public. And lastly, person with disability. There are a few services provided in this library. Firstly, schoolation. Second, document delivery. Third, distance education PDJ. And lastly, literature search. Schoolation. All UPM staff and students automatically are library members. Those members, students of executive program and distance learning are required to register at the User Service Division. User services includes loan, renewal, reservation and membership. Loan services for general collection. Books from general collection can be borrowed at user services counter by using shared machine borrowing privilege for the various category of user are as follows. First, UPM staff. Loan eligible period for 30 copies, about 16 days. For lecturer, also same. For UPM students, loan eligible 20 copies and period 30 days. And external member, loan eligible 20 copies generous collection and only for 14 days. Second, document delivery. How to request item. Before requesting material, please check the item against Koha web OPAC. Emphasize subscribe online database to ensure that the items are not available in the library. Second, fill in the form available via online document delivery service form, but its authorities email to access this online form is UPM email. Next, if you may locate where is available, please indicate on the form. This will speed the process. Please check other Malaysian library catalogs. And lastly, please note the cancellation of requests in some cases may not be possible, particularly risking to British Library. This is very important to ensure that the items requests are absolutely. There are a few services for distant education, PJJ. For example, book reservation, loan renewal, and letter of referral. For literature search, this service provides assistance and advice to students and staff in information search for their research project, working paper, and coursework. The librarian will perform literature search on your topic in the appropriate database and will provide a list of reference. This service is provided by Information Services Division at minimal cost.